Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Kuromi from Sanrio and Trust and Press for free. Okay, first of all, you can wear all these items and you're going to color it white. And then I'm going to show you the next item I'm going to use. Okay, you can wear this hat. Okay, this one. And you're going to color it black for the first selection. And you're going to color it pink for the second selection. This pink. Sorry guys, this pink I mean. Okay, now let's move to the next item. You're going to wear this bear hat and you're going to make it black. You can color it black and we're going to move to the accessory adjustment. For the adjustment, you can set it like this for the position, set it normal. And for the rotate, you're going to make the X position 0.54. And for the Y and Z, just leave it like that. And then move to the scale, you're going to set it 1. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the next item. Okay guys, for the next item, you're going to wear this fur hat. You're going to color it white, and this is for the adjustment. You can copy mine for the rotate and also scale. Okay, let's move to the next item. For the next item, you're going to grab this hat and you're going to color it white and then copy my adjustment for the position and rotate and scale. Okay, and then you're going to wear this bunny hat and you're going to remove the ears. Go to the toggle and select no ears and you can color it black. And then for the adjustment, you can copy this adjustment for the position and then rotate and then the scale. Okay, and I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to wear this mask and color it black. And you're going to copy my adjustment for the position and then rotate and also scale. Okay, now it's done for the mask and we're going to wear this hat and we're going to color it with the same pink and you can copy my adjustment for the position, rotate and also scale. Okay, then you're going to wear this microphone or this mic and then you're going to color it pink as well and then you're going to copy my adjustment. Okay, just follow this adjustment for position and wait for the rotate. Wait guys, okay, for the rotate this one and also scale to create the nose and then you're going to wear this coat item. Okay, and then you're going to color it with this pink color for the first selection and also the second selection and then copy my adjustment, position and then rotate and scale. Okay, it will create this blush. And you're going to wear this ear mug and you're going to color it black for this ear mug. We're going to create eyes with this ear mug and then you can copy my adjustment. Okay guys, this is the adjustment for the eyes. You're going to follow this adjustment, position, rotate and also scale. And then you're going to choose the kitty ears, this one. You can color it black for the first selection and also the second selection. and the third selection as well, and then you can copy my adjustment. This is the adjustment, guys, for the position, rotate, and scale. Then you're going to choose this mask, this face mask. You're going to color it white for the first selection, and for the second selection you can color it black, and then you can copy my adjustment. Okay, this is the adjustment for the mask to create the Kuromi mouth, and you can follow this adjustment: position, rotate, and scale. Okay, the last one, we're going to put eyelashes. So we're going to use the code item. You can choose this lashes and toggle it 6. Okay, then you're going to follow my adjustment. Okay, this is the adjustment for the eyelashes: position, rotate, and scale, and this is the final result. If you have VIP, you can add tail, but if you don't have VIP, just leave it like that. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Kuromi and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.